Alright guys, what's up? So just a little tip on installing the KTM Powerparts lowering kit on the new WP serial shock on like the 2021 models. These shocks are a little different. They actually have two compression stacks. So you have your stack here, and they have a second stack that sits on top up above here. So basically what you're going to do is once you get your shock apart, you're gonna release this nut right here. You're gonna take this off, and that's gonna let this top compression stack come off and this bushing thing. And then you're gonna have to also take off this nut, and then you're gonna put your zip tie or whatever in here, and very carefully, you're gonna take off the valve stacks and the piston and everything. All right, so what you're switching out is this. I've already swapped it out. See how much taller that is? So we usually just call these like a base plate. KTM calls them, or WP calls them, the rebound disc. So you can see how small that is. We're swapping it out for this tall one. The hollow side's going to go down. That's how it's going to sit, and that's what's going to shorten your shock up. So you remove this one, put that one in, put your valving back on, put your shock back together, and that's it for the mechanical portion of the lowering of the shock.